Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Revolut to Coinbase wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your Revolut app and then click on crypto option from the bottom of your screen. If you don't find crypto option, you have to click on this hub option. And from here you have to scroll down and under this well section, you will find crypto. So just tap on it. And then on the screen, you have to click on this search bar and then search for the cryptocurrency that you are transferring. So I will just select for search for Bitcoin and then select the Bitcoin from here. Then you will see the similar page for your cryptocurrency. So just click on send button. And then on this screen, you have to click on this new button on top right corner. And from this pop-up window, select crypto wallet and then click on got it. After that, you just have to select the network that you want to use. And then you have to paste the wallet address in this area. So open up your Coinbase app, Coinbase wallet, and then click on this search icon. After that, in this search bar, you have to type for the same cryptocurrency that you are transferring from the Revolut. So I will just type BTC and select the Bitcoin from here. And on the screen, you have to click on this receive button and you will get your Bitcoin address. So click on copy button right next to your Bitcoin address and then go back to your Revolut app and paste the wallet address in this area. You can also name this wallet as Coinbase wallet if you want and then click on continue. Then 6-digit code will be transferred to your registered phone number. So enter code in here and then click on got it. Then on the screen you have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on send. And lastly it will give you the summary of a transfer. So make sure wallet address, network and amount is correct and then click on send. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Revolut to Coinbase wallet. Hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.